Hello kids, how are you today? Hope you're doing well.
This time, our subject that we are going to talk about is science. And our topic, it's all about toys and other things around us. This topic is the continuation of the topic last week. Okay, again, our topic, toys and other things around us. Okay, before that, let's read first our vocabulary words. The first word is toys. Again, toys. Let us spell the word toys. T-O-Y-S. Toys. Great. Let us proceed to the second vocabulary word. Number 2 is school. School. Let us spell the word school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Great. Now let's proceed to the third word. Okay, for number 3, we have play. Play. Let us spell the word play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Great. Okay. Again, our topic, we are going to talk about toys and other things around us. Okay, now this time, what are those things we can play with? Okay, what are those things we can play with? They are called toys. Very good. Okay, toys are things or a thing we can play with. Okay, things we can play with are called toys. Okay, now what are those things we can play with? Okay, the first things is robot. Okay, robot is a toy. And if the robot is a toy, so it means we can play with a robot, right? Very good. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one. Okay, do you know what is that? Okay, a toy car. Very good. A toy car is a toy. And then, so it means a toy car, we can play with a toy car, right? Yes, because a toy car is an example of a thing that we can play or what we call toy. Okay, another one. Do you know what is that? I know all of you, or most of you, have this one at home. Okay, very good. Legos are toys. Okay, that is a Legos. Okay, and Legos are example of toys. So it means if Legos are toys, so we can play with Legos. Very good. Because Legos is an example of a toy. Another one. Now, next. What are those things we cannot play with? Okay. If we have things that we can play, we have also things that we cannot play. But we can use it, right? Okay. What are those things we cannot play with? An example of that is, do you know what is that? Very good, books. Books are not toys. So how we use books? We use books to read. Very good. Okay. Now let's proceed to next. Do you know what is that? Okay, that is a bag. Okay. Bag is not a toys, right? Okay. And how we use bag? We use bag to carry things. Okay. Now let's proceed to next. Do you know what is that? Great. That is a pair of shoes. Okay. Now shoes are not toys. So it means if shoes are not toys, so that is a thing that we can use. Yes, how we use shoes. We use shoes to cover our feet. Okay. And for our review, okay, so we talk about things we can play with. So that is called toys. And things we cannot play with. Okay, so that is only a thing, but we can use it. Okay, so for our activity, kindly answer your live worksheet activity given by your teacher. Okay, for our activity, our direction is drag and drop. Choose the exact things where they belong. We have two groups here of things. The first group is things we can play with, and the second group is things we cannot play with, but we can use it. So, you are going to drag and drop the picture to their corresponding groups. Like for example, number 1, we have toy car. So toy car is belong to things we can play with. So you are going to drag there and drop. And how about the things we cannot play with, but we can use it? An example of that is this one, a pencil. Okay, you are going to drag and drop the picture. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe, and see you soon, everybody. Goodbye.